Hey there. Ever felt a tug in your chest so strong it cut through everything else? That sudden, undeniable urge to take a different road, grab the last seat on a train you don't usually ride, or text a friend you haven't spoken to in years, only to later realize it saved you from disaster, opened the door to a life-changing connection, or arrived at the exact moment they needed you. Most people, if they even notice, call it luck, a coincidence, a fluke. But what if it's not luck at all? What if these moments are quantum signals, personal messages from the fabric of infinite possibility, routed straight through your nervous system? Today we're diving into why your intuition isn't some airy-fairy hunch. It's the most powerful technology you own, and science is finally proving it. From the time we toddle into kindergarten, society programs us to distrust it. We're told to raise our hand for permission, to color inside the lines, to follow the teacher's answer key instead of our own knowing. Slowly, a message sinks in. If it can't be measured, graded, or validated, then it doesn't count. So we silence our nudges. We outsource truth to experts, influencers, algorithms. We trade the crystal clear signal of our being for static. The result? Jobs that drain us. Relationships that don't fit. Routines that feel like someone else wrote the script. Each ignored hunch deletes a possible future where you thrive. Stack enough of those deletions, and you get that hollow midlife ache. I should have listened to myself. That ache isn't failure, it's feedback. It's your untamed self, reminding you, you always knew the way. Here's the kicker. What you call gut instinct isn't random, it's data. Physicists agree that particles exist in superposition, every possibility at once, until an observer collapses one into reality. Your brain is that observer. Neuroscience shows that neural networks can process multiple futures simultaneously, almost like a supercomputer. When a choice feels expansive, light in your chest, that S-biology collapsing a wave into a yes. When it feels heavy or tight, your body is flagging no. History's great innovators knew this. Einstein used vivid daydreams before equations. Tesla built entire machines in his mind before prototypes. Jung mapped the unconscious by trusting images that rose within. They weren't magicians. They were early adopters of quantum intuition. Think of your body as an organic smartphone, carved from stardust. Your heart isn't just a pump, it generates the strongest electromagnetic field in your body, radiating several feet outward. Studies show this field can sync with other people's brainwaves. That's entanglement in action. Inside your neurons, tiny microtubules may even vibrate in quantum coherence, resonating with the field of possibility. Calm and centered, that hum is clear, like a tuned radio station. Stressed or scattered, it's like trying to stream Netflix on one bar of service. Fragmented, frustrating, almost unwatchable. So what's the solution? Stillness. Stillness isn't just relaxation, it's a Wi-Fi upgrade. By focusing on the felt sense in your body, you tune your antenna. You sharpen the signal. You let the universe's broadcast come through with clarity. Here's how to train it. First, pause. Before decisions, stop. Take a slow breath. Feel the aftertaste of the option in your body. Second, label. Expansion or contraction, relief or tension. Keep it binary, yes or no, open or closed. Third, act small. Follow the micro nudge. Send that text. Take that new route. Notice what reality reflects back. Each loop of listen, trust, confirm strengthens the muscle. Skip it, and the signal weakens. Train it, and you become your own oracle. Repeating numbers. Perfect songs at the perfect time. Chance meetings. These synchronicities are delightful. They're like training wheels, little winks from the universe. But they're slow. They require physical matter to rearrange just to send you a nudge. Your inner compass is faster. Chasing external signs keeps you dependent. Claiming your signal makes you sovereign. That's why the observer effect in quantum physics isn't just theory. It's your everyday reality. You are the observer. Your intuition is the instrument. You're not passive, you're a co-creator. If you're ready to claim that power, type, "I hear the signal," in the comments. Let's flood this thread with proof that people are ready to trust their own inner authority. Even the best antenna can pick up static. 3 common culprits: comparison, information overload, and verbal spam. Scrolling social media tricks your brain into not enough, shutting down intuition in favor of survival mode. Constant alerts fragment attention. Without focus, the quantum field is pixelated noise. Telling everyone your dreams too early leaks energy. Protect fragile intentions like a password. Take Maya. For weeks she dreamed of giant waves crashing into her office. Logic said stay. The salary was good. Intuition screamed leave. She listened. She switched to coastal ecology, and within months she was tagging sea turtles, making more money and loving her life. Or Dev. Every morning he felt sick walking into his startup. Rationally, it was a success, but his body screamed otherwise. He sold his shares, pivoted to climate tech, and the nausea vanished. 2 years later, the company imploded in scandal, while he thrived. These aren't miracles. They're physics in action when you trust your inner instrument. Want proof for yourself? Tonight, set a clear intention. Show me a bodily signal about tomorrow's decision. When you wake, before checking your phone, write down the first emotion you feel and where in your body it lives. Then, for one choice that day, follow the expansive feeling, even if it defies logic. Watch what happens. Quicker meetings, unexpected favors, a lighter flow. One day is enough to prove the loop. Do it for a week and you'll begin to trust yourself the way Tesla trusted his inner visions. If you're done outsourcing your GPS to broken satellites, smash that like button. And if you want to keep unlocking these insights, subscribe and hit the bell. In the next video, we'll practice turning heart coherence into tangible results, because the quantum field loves speed, but only when you're consistent. You didn't arrive as random cells. You arrived with a quantum superpower disguised as gut feeling. Society dismissed it, but science is rediscovering it as the operating system of reality. Every time you ignore it, you cast a vote for misalignment. Every time you honor it, you collapse a future where you thrive. The universe doesn't shout through billboards. It whispers through you. So right now, place a hand on your chest, take a deep, centering breath, and ask yourself with curiosity, what's my next move? The answer is already echoing inside you. All you have to do is say yes.